Hello again, this is Ewan from the Book Garden, and this is pronunciation lesson 3. Today we are going to be looking at two very difficult sounds in the English language, the TH sounds. One of them is unvoiced and one of them is voiced. Firstly, let's take a look at the unvoiced TH sound. Athlete, thumb, thick, thousand, thin, month, thunder, wreath. Thousands of people think that math is difficult. The thunderstorm last month was terrible. Now let's take a look at the voiced TH sound. Feather, mother, southern, breathe, leather, weather, sunbathe. My mother comes from a southern city. This kind of weather is depressing.
Thank you for watching my video.